Hi, I'm Kyle Glass, Vice President of Marketing Matters. It's a big, bad world on the internet. When you own a website, you're part of an online community. And I believe that you've signed an unwritten contract as part of that community to maintain your website, and here's why. Most websites these days are built and hosted on shared servers. If one website is hacked, a website virus could jump from one website to the other, putting all of the other websites on that server in jeopardy. Most importantly, you owe your customers a good online experience. Your website is an extension of your brand. If somebody comes onto your website and has a good experience, they're going to think kindly about your brand. If somebody jumps on and they are being hindered by malicious ads, or if a virus could even be placed on their computer via your website, they're not going to think kindly about your brand. So they're not going to want to do business with you. They're going to think that you're unprofessional. So the reality of the situation is that an unmaintained website could last for a few years. It could last several without any sort of issue, or it could be attacked next week. There's really no way of telling, and it's a ticking time bomb and very expensive to rectify if it gets hacked. So just like any other thing that you own, it requires maintenance. Many years ago, when we first started building websites, we were being hacked probably once every other month from a website that we built. And we learned very quickly to build websites in a particular way to protect them from malicious attacks. It's also, we also took a huge leap forward in informing our clients on how to maintain some sort of maintenance schedule and helping them with that as needed. And I just hope that you learn from us, heed our advice. And if you have any questions about maintaining your website, if you need help maintaining your website, particularly with WordPress websites, please give us a call. We're extremely happy to help you be part of the online community. Thanks.